you doing? My name is Miss Kenya for those of you who are new, and I do house hunting videos among other videos, and today I am doing a house hunting video. I am on Wayakwe and I am in Regen, which is approximately 30 minutes drive to Nairobi CBD, and the house that I review today is a 3-bedroom house, which is super fabulous, you guys. The house is approximately 4 meters away from the highway, so it's just a walking distance, and the house comes with a pantry, it comes with a balcony which is separate from the laundry area, and one of the bedrooms, that is the master, is ensuite. How cool is that? Also, the finishes of this house are just perfect. I am sure you will fall in love with this house because I have already fallen in love with this house. I am totally sold out to this one, and can you imagine that this house goes for 40,000 Kenyan shillings only? You guys, this one is a steal. This one is a steal, and it's a new apartment, so you will get to be the first tenant. How cool is that? And also have done 1-bedroom and 2-bedroom houses in the same apartment, so I will link them here so that you can check that out. And I have a lot to say about this house, but as always, I will let you be the judge. Fill in the comment section with your opinions about the house, and as always, I will leave the contact details on the description box below, and just watch the video till there because this one is a good one. And also, the house is still under minor constructions, so forgive me about the look of the house, but the thing is to give you an idea of how the house looks. So let's get started. Today I have decided to start from the laundry area, which is right outside the kitchen, and that is how it looks. Again, forgive me because there is some minor constructions going on. That is the size of the laundry area, which is big by the way, and the floor is amazing. That's the size of the laundry area. Comes with the tap, and that is the kitchen window. So let's get in the kitchen and just look at that, guys. Just look at that. Isn't that amazing? That's the size of the kitchen, which is big by the way. You have enough countertop or working area for you, and the room is well lit. It has 2 windows. There is that one, and there is the other one that I have just showed you. And storage is not a problem in this kitchen. Just look at that. You have all that storage, and then you have all that, and you have some drawers for your cutlery and all that, and then you have this one here, and you have some more space for you there. And guys, just look at the ceiling. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful, guys? Yeah, that is it. And then okay, that is the kitchen door from the laundry area, and then you have more storage space for you guys over there, and you have all that space that can fit your fridge, your stove. That is just amazing. Let me show you the size of the kitchen once again. So that is it. And guys, just look at those tiles. I love the tiling of this house, you guys. So that is the kitchen, and then this is the door from the kitchen, and this is your pantry in here, which is of a standard size by the way. That is your pantry, and then here goes your bedroom number 1. Well lit. All the rooms are well lit by the way. That is the window right here, and this one doesn't come with a closet. This one doesn't have a closet. It's a small one. That one is small. You can make this like a baby room or whatever. It's beautiful, and it has some sockets, of course. So then this is the living room, which is super spacious. That is the entry door, and the living room starts from here. I love the floor, I love the tiling, and I warned you about that. So that is the door and the window to the balcony. The balcony is just right outside, and then above there we have another window. So the room is well lit, and just look at the size of it. It's super spacious, by the way, super spacious. Let me show you the balcony. So that is the balcony right outside the living room door, and as you can see, it's of a standard size. And just look at that view, guys. Just look at that view. It's amazing. This is a place where you can just sit, unwind, and relax. I love the view from here. Amazing. Let me show you the size of the living room from this point. Just look at that, guys. Just look at that. And you have another window, by the way, there. So the room is just perfectly lit. That is the size of the living room. I wish these ones were not here, but we move. That is the size of the living room. So let's see which room is next. And on the left, let's start with this one. Is the second bedroom, which is large. This one is large, you guys. And the doors are just amazing. So this is the second bedroom. Again, the room is well lit. All the rooms in this house are well lit, and that is the first closet. This one has two closets. This is the first one, and it has some drawers which are grilled, by the way, very easy to move. And we have more space for you, more closet space for you over here. So yeah, that is it. That is our closet number 1, and we have another closet in here. And that is the size of it. I am in love. And that is the size of the second. This is the second bedroom. That is the size of it, and we have a window right here. That is why the room is well lit. So that is the size. Runs from here all the way to there. Actually, it can fit 2 beds. It can fit 2 beds without a hassle. So let's go to the other room, which is the common washroom. And you have a sink area over here. And then this is the common bathroom and washroom. Spacious. And that is the window right over there. You have the tap, the soap dish, and the shower. We have hot shower in this house, and you have your tissue holder over there, and you have a place where you can hang your towels over there. So that is the common washroom and the common bathroom and toilet. So let's go to the master ensuite, and here it is. This is the entry, and on your left you have the closet, which is big, by the way. This one is huge. Let me open it for you. that is the first closet space, and you have another one in here. You have another closet space in here. You have drawers over there which are grilled, and that is the size of it. And the window is here, so again it's well lit. I think you can, yeah, you have sockets in here. For me, I would put my shoe rack in here, make it a shoe closet or whatever, but you have the freedom to do what you want. Yeah, that is it. And this is the washroom. You have the sink and the toilet, and then you have the bathroom in here. Not as big, it's tiny by the way. Not as big, but it's enough. You have the tissue holder, you have the shower, a place where you can hang your towels, and the bulb is there. And I love the ceiling. And you have another window in there, so well lit. So that is it about this house. That is the master, the view of the master ensuite again, and the closet in here. Let me just give you a brief view again. Yeah, and this is the common washroom. And the first bedroom is in here, which was our second, and it has this closet and this closet there. And this is my favorite, by the way. This one is my favorite. This is the living room, which is big. This one can fit your lounge area and your dining space. So that is it. It's super big. This one is big. Let me know your favorite part about this house in the comment section below. But this one, the living room, is my fave. And this is the pantry or the store, and this is the last bedroom in here, which is tiny. This one is not as big. And the kitchen. Oh, the laundry area is right outside there, and then this is the kitchen, you guys. Another favorite part of mine. So guys, that is all about the house. Let me know your thoughts about it, and let me see you on my next video. Remember to check the description box for all the information, and thank you for watching. Bye.